What's up, guys? It is me, Smash One Production here, and today I am playing The Walking Dead. Yes, it is. It's a fun game. I'm gonna play it. Let's just do this thing. Yep. Okay, play. I'm actually gonna do a new game. So. There we go. Yeah, a new day. Sorry, there's a on the TV. All right. The Walking Dead. Episode 1, A New Day. Oh, I'm arrested. What'd you do? Just check the rearview mirror. Make sure I don't try to break out or kill you.
Well, I reckon you didn't do it then.
Doesn't really matter.
Does it really matter?
Nah, not much. You know, I've driven a bunch of fellas down to this prison. Lord knows how many. Usually it's about now I get the, I didn't do it.
Not for me.
Because guys in your position already said it enough.
I guess. I don't know. I'm not the cop. I'm being arrested.
What looks like a 1091E near Beach 385. All cars asked to keep on the lookout for a 91B in the area.
Those look like nice houses.
I followed your case a little bit. You being a Macon boy and all.
You're
from Macon then?
Yep. Came up to Atlanta to be a city cop in the 70s. I always wanted to work a murder case. Like that senatorial mess you got yourself mixed up in. With all due respect. A real shame, that is. Hell, the whole family used to be regulars at your folks' drugstore right in downtown. Still there?
Sure is.
Good.
Any of that seem important to you?
All of it. But that box never shuts up. Sit in this seat and pay too much attention and you'll drive yourself crazy. I got a nephew up at UGA. You teach there long?
Going on my 6th year.
You meet your wife in Athens? You want to know how I see it?
Not really.
Not really.
Too bad. It's my car. You might have the right to remain silent, but it don't mean I gotta be.
Maybe it should apply to you too then. I thought of that.
Regardless, could be you just married the wrong woman.
But, you know, I ain't even gonna say it.
You'll have to learn to stop worrying about things you can't control.
All those cool cap cares.
I'm driving this man once. He was the worst one. He wouldn't stop going on about how he didn't do it. He was an older fella, big soft eyes behind a pair of smart folk glasses. And he just wailing back there. Says it wasn't him. Crying and snotting all over right where you're sitting.
Oh, that's nice to know that I'm sitting in some snotter's seat.
Then before long, he starts kicking the back of the seat like a fussy baby on an airplane. I tell him he's got to stop. That's government property.
You gotta be a grown man.
Zap him otherwise. So he stops, and having exhausted all his options, he starts crying out for his mama. Mama, it's all a big mistake. It wasn't me.
Wow. So he did do it.
So did he do it?
Yeah.
They caught the fucker red-handed, stabbing his wife, cutting her up as the boys came through the door. He sits in my car screaming bloody murder that it wasn't him. I think he actually believed it himself. It goes to show, people will up and go mad when they believe their life is over. I got another good one for you. This one's a little bit less depressing.
Well, that's
a bit more
that's
hilarious,
Zambi.
if I do say so.
Watch
This
out.
other time,
Listen to me. Yeah, it's getting pretty wild up in there. Jeez. That was something. I see it. Got a gun officer, use it.
Oh, shit. Thirsty.
Alright. Got a text.
Fuck.
Oh, fuck my dad. Sorry about that. It's my dad. Come on, open! 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 Yeah. Okay. I got out of the window. It's kind of gross.
Officer? God damn. Officer?
He looks so handsome right now. He looks so good, doesn't he? The bloody corpse just lying on the ground. Keesley. Okay, here we go. Just gonna mark you real quick. I'll grab the last one. Just right there. That's better.
Officer?
Oh, jeez. You turn on me now, don't you? Could've just picked a better time to do it than now, huh? Could've just picked a better time. Oh, let's just scare the player now.
Get away from me!
Yeah, zoom by. Wait for me to zoom by. I got a shul. I'm gonna shoot some.
Where are you?
Come on. Okay. Oh, come on, we really...
Just stop. Back up!
Here we go.
Let me do this!
I don't want to do this, but actually I do at the same time. I enjoyed every second of that.
Help! Go get someone! There's been a shooting!
I'm gonna walk it out real fast. There's been a shooting where only one bullet was fired. And one bullet was fired, so you know, dude. Come on, Lee. Get out of there. Look at me. What's doing that? Only this time.
Hello? Anybody?
Let's just go up there now.
Hello? Anybody home? I need a little help. Hello? There's something going on.
Slide the door.
Coming in. Don't shoot, okay?
I'm an intruder. I'm just a random guy going into your house. Really? You have to text me now. Any time, you know.
Ah, shit. Hello? I'm not an intruder. Or one of them. These people may need more help than I do.
Yeah. It's a nice thing to say about people's houses. Watch out for the pile of blood.
This place has been ransacked. Just about anything worthwhile is gone.
Walkie-talkie. Could use that. So watch as he stubs that big old walkie-talkie in his back pocket. Taking this. It's like,
What's that beeping?
obviously a phone.
There are 3 new messages. 3 new messages. Message 1, left at 5:43 p.m.
Hey, Santa, this is Diana. We're still in Savannah. Ed had a little incident with some crazy guy near the hotel, so we had to get him back to the ER and have it checked out. Anyway, he's not feeling well enough to drive back tonight, so we're staying an extra day. Thanks so much for looking after Clementine, and I promise we'll be back in time before spring break.
Message 2, left at 11:19 p.m.
Oh my god, finally. I don't know if you tried to reach us. All the calls are getting dropped. They're not letting us leave and aren't telling us anything about Atlanta. Please, just leave the city and take Clementine with you back to Marietta. I've got to get back to the hospital. Please let me know that you're safe.
Message 3, left at 6:51 a.m.
Clementine, baby. If you can hear this, call the police. That's 911. We love you. We love you. We love you. Daddy?
Huh?
Milwaukee.
Hello?
You need to be quiet.
Not a monster.
I'm not a monster.
Good.
Your parents.
Where are your parents?
They took a trip and left me with Sandra. They're in Savannah, I think. Where the boats are?
Boats. Where are you?
Where are you?
I'm outside in my treehouse. They can't get in.
That's smart.
See? Can you see me? I can see you through the window.
Oh, baby. Let's kill this thing. Die! Come on! Keep working lagging it. Come on! Finally. Hey, watch out for that wood. That was the same one that you chipped on earlier. No, sorry about the lag, guys. Yeah, I got him all. Good hammer. Good hammer. Kevin on that hammer. Yeah. Die. This is a bonus. Your mistake. He looks jacked up. Probably because I did that.
Man. Hi there.
Did you kill it?
Something else did.
I think something else did. Before me, I think.
I heard her scream 2 nights ago. Maybe one of the monsters got her.
2 nights ago? Yeah, that's probably what happened. You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
I think that might be a little while, you know?
Oh.
Look, I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you until then.
What should we do now?
I'm actually gonna end off the video. I'm actually gonna end the video like this. So that was my Walking Dead video. I'll make more of them, obviously. Keep watching, and well, peace.